Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn this beautiful and elegant crochet border design, or you can say the edging design as the edging pattern. So let's go ahead and make this beautiful edging or border. Okay, for this tutorial, I am taking the super soft, not super soft, but mild soft cotton, 3-ply cotton yarn for this edging. And I am using today this printed hanky or printed napkin, you can say, which I'll work with to give it somewhat a different look. So let's start. So as I always start by making the base round. Here I'll start this time with from the corner, and I have taken a crochet hook of size 1.0 mm. You can take the crochet hook as per the fabric of your hanky or your towel or your napkin. So let's start from the corner. I'll start by making chain of 3, in which 2 chains would count as one single crochet and one would be a chain 1 gap. Then at some distance I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Likewise, I'll keep repeating and I'll complete this entire row or all the 4 sides of my hanky, and I'll see you after this base round. Okay, so here my first base round is completed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slip stitch into this first chain space here, very next chain space here, and I'll make 3 chains up, 1, 2 and 3, which will count as 1 double crochet. I'll make 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2, total 3 double crochets like this, chain of 2 and 3 more double crochet in the same chain 1 space, 1, 2 and 3 like this. Then I'll skip this next chain space, and in the next one I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet this way. Again, I'll skip the next one. In the next chain space I'll make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and 2 chains and 3 double crochets in the same chain space, 1, 2 and 3. Again, skipping the next chain 1 space, in the next one I'll make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 chains and 1 double crochet. So here likewise I'll keep repeating this pattern. Skipping 1 chain space, I'll make 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, then skip 1 and make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, then skip 1. So this pattern I'll continue for this round. In the next round I'll show you what we have to do next. Okay, so here I have completed this round, my third round here, like this, second round like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a slip stitch 2 and reach to this first chain 2 space here, and I'll make 3 chains up, which will count as 1 double crochet plus 2 chains for 2 chain gap and 1 double crochet again in the same chain stitch. So we have to do the reverse in this round. Where there are 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, we have to make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet. And where we have made 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, there we have to make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, 2 chains, 1, 2, and 3 more double crochet in the same chain 2 space, 1, 2 and 3. Again, in this chain 2 gap, I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 more double crochet. Like this. In the next one again, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 2 chains and 3 more double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. So likewise, I'll keep repeating this round, and I'll make one more similar round. Again, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet in this chain 2 gap, and then 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet alternately. I'll complete this round in the next one, and I'll see you after then. Okay, so here I've completed my 4th round, and I'm going to finish it by making a slip stitch on the 3rd chain stitch, which we have made at the start of this round. Now I'm flipping over and taking my stitch to the first 2 chain space here, and now I'm going to make 3 chains up, which will count as 1 double crochet, and 3 more chains, 1, 2 and 3, for a picot stitch. So in the 3rd chain from hook here, I'll make a picot, then a double crochet in the same chain 2 space, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and picot stitch. Again, a double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, picot stitch, 1 double crochet. So far I've made 3. I'll make 2 more, 1, 2 and 3, 1 double crochet after this picot, and 1, 2 and 3, 1 more picot here, and a double crochet. So total we have made 5 picot, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After this, I'll make a single crochet in the next chain 2 space, which is here, a single crochet. Now I'll repeat the same here, 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 chains picot, 1 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3 chains picot, 3 more, 1, 2 and 3 picot, 1 double crochet here, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 picot. Again, I'll make 1 more, 1, 2 and 3, and like this. So basically we have to make 5 double crochet, 5 picot, alternate chain 2 space. In the next one, I'll make a single crochet. Now, if you want, you can increase these base rounds here, the alternate fan rounds here, and then you can make this border, or you can make the way I have made here. So I'll complete this round, and I'll see you after the end of this round. Alright, so here we have completed our last round, and I'm gonna finish it with a slip stitch here on the start of this chain sleeve, which we made as a double crochet. Okay, so our work looks this way so far. After completing this, isn't it the very beautiful border or edging design? So go ahead and try making this elegant design and do let me know how you like it. Please keep liking, sharing, and subscribing my videos. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.